everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create and use a contract template in Odoo 19 HR module, which is an employee module. Okay. So when managing a multiple employee, you all know that creating contracts manually every time can be a repetitive and also a time-consuming thing. But with the contract template in Odoo 19 employee module, you can standardize the salary structure, working hours, and contract details very easily. And you can use them whenever you hire a new employee or in an existing employee aspect. So without wasting any time, let's directly head over to the employee module to create a contract. Okay. So, a contract template. I'm not creating a contract template. So once you open the employee module, here it is the dashboard, and moving on to the configuration under the recruitment, there you can see create a contract template. So by clicking on the contract template option, there you will get a dashboard like this, and there you can see existing contract template. So here we have a contract template which is called, let me show you again. Which is called Developer USA and as well as the HR Manager. Okay, so once you need to create a new contract template, you need to click on the new option. So let me give you a simple example. If you guys are running a retail store or your company is need for a salesperson or a sales executive. So for a particular sales executive, which means a retail sales executive, you don't want to manually enter all the contract details, but you need a template instead of that. So how we can create them? Let me show you how we can simply create it. So once you open the contract template, here you will get a dashboard like this. So you need to fill up all the detailed information from here itself. Okay. So first of all, you need to provide the template name that you can use inside each and every employees. Okay. So let me provide the template name as retail sales executive. Okay. So here I have done with the template name, which is retail sales executive template. And now you need to define the job. Okay. So let me create a new job, which is sales executive. Okay. For that, let's create new one. Okay. So here we have the sales executive, and under the details, now you can see who is the recruiter and the job posting. Okay, there we have the experience, expected skills from that particular employee for this particular job position. And now you can see the job, which is a company, which is the department, and the employee type as well. Okay, so from here itself, you can provide an employee type. So here I'm choosing it as a permanent employee. Once I'm done with that, now let's save it. Okay, so once I'm done with the job, here I've done with the detail, which is the sales executive. Now you can provide the department. So here I'm providing it as management and as well as management or sales. Okay. So here I'm providing it as management or sales. Now you can see salary information. Okay. So under the salary information, you can provide a wage like employee monthly gross wage. So here I'm providing it as $2,000. And there we have the contract type. So you can choose a contract type, whether it's a permanent, you can choose that. Whether it's a temporary one, you can choose. And there we have interim, seasonal. There we have full-time, part-time, intern, and as a student as well. So it is a permanent job. So here I'm providing it as permanent. And there we have the pay category, which means if the particular, contract template is creating for an employee, you can provide the pay category as an employee, or you can provide it as a worker. So it is an employee, and now you need to provide the working schedule, which means the working hours of a employee. So here I'm choosing it as flexible 40 hours per week. So now you can say it, or you can also provide it as a standard 14 hours a week. So here I'm providing it as flexible. By moving on to the internal link, you can see the internal information about that particular job hours. Okay, so now you can say it, the schedule type, the company, the time zone, and each and every kind of things from here itself. Now let's move back to the template, and now you can see we are filled all the details. So once we are done with that, it's ready to use. Okay. Moving on to that, here we are created our retail sales executive template. Now I want to provide this inside a new employee or an existing one as well. So here I'm choosing one existing one. Okay. So let me select this as Ronnie Hart. Okay. Sorry, not Ronnie Hart, Rachel Perry. So here I'm choosing it as Rachel Perry, and moving on to the payroll section. Now you can see you can load a template for Rachel Perry. So here I'm going to load a template. By clicking on that particular option, you can simply choose a contract template. Okay. So here I'm using it. Now load it. So once I'm loaded, now you can see there we have wage, employee type, contract type, and pay category is filled. And there we have the contract as well. Now you can provide the contract itself. Okay. So from a particular date and to there you can choose it. So this is how it's work, like how we can simply create a contract template and using under a particular employee as well. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye-bye.